I've had to alter the lighting arrangements so to show you the actual visible corrosion products resulting from this experiment as they are on the cloth with which we have been soaking the electrolyte. So, if you recall, we have a nail on this side which is the anode of the system, and the charges are coming from the battery into the anode. They are passing through the electrolyte onto this nail, which according to theory should have no corrosion, but it only has 0.663 volts potential difference with the electrolyte, and as we move this closer, the recommended position, it only has 0.495 millivolts potential difference between the copper sulfate electrode and the protected nail. So according to the theory, the criterion of 850, this nail should not be protected, so it should have corrosion on it in a similar way to this nail having corrosion on it. Now there is a nail in the centre. The charges are coming onto this end of the nails, so this should not be corroded, but this end should have corrosion on it because the charges are coming through the system from this nail here into the electrolyte onto this end of this nail, which is protected, from this end of this nail, which is discharging charges and therefore metal into the system, and here we have the protected nail. Now, I've not looked at this, I'm trusting what I've seen before. I'm disconnecting now the measuring system. So I'm disconnecting the so this is the oscilloscope disconnected. So I will now switch that off. So we finish the recording on that. And I will switch this off and we will finish the recording on that. I will now turn off the cathodic protection, which is this battery here. That is finished with. I will remove these leads from this nail, which is the protected nail. And now we can actually see if the results are as predicted by the readings on the meter. We just switch this meter off. The meter is off. I will switch the data logger off. Exit. Those records will be kept in the computer, which is within here. Now let's have a look and see if the predictions are correct. Right, you can now see that this experiment confirms the scientific theory developed by Faraday and the theories of how electricity actually works and is measured. We have corrosion product from this nail here, The charges have taken the metal into solution and left their mark there. They have come onto this nail, which is not corroded at this end, and it is corroded at that end, and they have protected this nail, which has left no corrosion products on the electrolyte at the other end of the system.